Everybody! Everybody! I'm going to take this top off before I boil. Ladies and gentlemen!
Oh God.
Everybody! Everybody!
You've got to have a lot of self-confidence to do something like this.
Makeup. Can you see it? Don't look too hard. Here we go. Everybody, every step I take, you clap. I'll appreciate it. Ladies and gentlemen, it's one thing I need to say. I know I need to say, but some people, they like to walk around with a guilty conscience. With me, you don't have to. Just come and put some money in the hat in the end. Take the money, fold it up. Have a good afternoon football. Pound or two will do. Everybody, just come over. Show me your hands. Show me your hands, Marketing. Every step I clap. We better win tonight.
Get on with it.
It's
Oh my God.
everybody together with my feet. Together, it's England. Apart, it's France. Together.
Sorry?
Come on, France. You can join in with me. You're a rugby. Now you can pay me for it. Together. Better. Properly. Let's finish this off, guys. Put your hands together. I like happy faces. I saw it, sir. Could you come to the end? I'm so tired, people. If I get this, that's all right, sir. Relax. You can come forward. Pull your arms in, guys. I'm so tired. I'm not sure if I'm going to get this. Hey, toss your feet up. Pull in. Really important. Pull those in. Not too close. Stay to the end. Ladies and gentlemen, finishing this off. Go back to the end, and I'm going to do it long. I'll still try. Relax, sir. It's okay. Everybody, try it again. I didn't say it was easy. Don't forget your bag. Ladies and gentlemen, you've just watched us do a show. Thanks for not walking off and being horrible. It's all about love. These guys are very patient. Now, who's going to be the first to give you money? And who's going to be the first to walk away? Big question.